look at what some people just leave at the side of the road. It's not Bella. No, she just likes getting in on everything. Look at this. An entire fish tank. I haven't measured it, but I'm going to guess 200 litres. This stuff on top is just sand. They left some play sand with it, just the bag sitting on top, and it's leaked a bit. Look at that. It says free, which happens a lot around where I live, especially down into Cambridge. People, if they don't want something like a sofa, they just leave it at the end of their driveway on the pavement, write free on it, and someone will take it. But look at this. Let's have a look inside. Look at all that stuff just left in there. It's got a light, there's a heater, there's a pump and filter in there. Take all this off. There's a landscaped backing to it as well. How cool is this? And someone just left it at the side of the road. I mean, this will be my 4th fish tank now, but, I mean, it was free. Can't pass it up. I might actually get a video for my fish tank series now.